Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your AliExpress. So all you have to do to fix it on your app, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then it's going to take here in this list. Then all you have to do now, so just here in this list can so you search for AliExpress, so you just click on it like this. Then it's going to take you here to next step, that like you see here to app info, and you click here on force stop here, and you click here on OK. So then you just go down here, you click here on storage, and you come to storage list here, so you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just restart your phone, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.